We are gonna finish 9:30, but to be honest, it's too much driving. It's not fair at all. I hope they make a compensation, because if they don't, it's gonna be a trouble for me.
Navigation started. Continue north. Then in 350 feet arrive at the destination on your right.
61 mile to come to this town, and I have to drive 61 mile again to go back. Can you imagine this, guys? 61 mile to come to this town. I think she's waiting for me, the woman. Envelope number 49. If you like it. House number 25. That's house 25? Sorry, I'm recording.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Navigation started. Due northeast. Then in 100 feet make a hard right turn. Arrive at the destination.
Where is that destination? So I finished actually 9:30 exactly, and they are asking me right now how easy it was your route. So I pressed on very difficult, and then they are asking what make it or what made it difficult. So they give me lots of options, which is the first one which is no access to delivery location, the second one which is incorrect grouped stops, and the third one which is high mileage route, and the fourth one which is not enough time to deliver all packages, and the last one which is something else. But I'm gonna go with very high mileage. Unlike that, they already know that I have driven for high mileage. Your voice matter overall. How satisfied are you delivering packages with Amazon Flex? Very unsatisfied. Ask me why I'm not very unsatisfied. And now I have to go back home. I have to drive for 1.5 hour. I don't want you to see. See, I have to drive for 1 hour 11 minutes. Oh my god. Anyway, I hope that you like it, guys. See you later. See you later, guys. So guys, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. I'm still driving. I'm 1 minute away from my house, and it is 11. As I expected that I'm gonna be driving until 11 p.m. It is 11 right now. It is 56 or no, 4 minutes to 11. I'm still driving from that delivery. As I expected, I'm gonna arrive around 11 p.m. and that's literally what is happening right now. But anyway, that's not fair at all, because I have started this delivery around 6:30 p.m. and I was doing this for 5 hours. I'm literally driving for what? For 3 hours going and coming back, or 4 hours going and coming back, going to that town and coming back, and then doing delivery for 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Let's put it like this: I was driving in the motorway for 3.5 hours going and coming back, and doing delivery for 1.5 hour. That's in total 5 hours. So literally that's not fair. I have just arrived home. See, I have just arrived home. And I still have a package here with me. Remember earlier, I reported that I'm missing a parcel, right? But right now I have a Kestra. I'm missing a parcel, and now I have a Kestra. I have to bring it back to Amazon. Supposedly I have to do it right now, but I cannot do it right now because they will be closed. It is, let me show you. See, it is 2 minutes to 11, so they are not gonna be there right now. I have just arrived home, and that was too much driving for 63 pounds. That about 11 or 12 pounds per hour. People will be sleeping right now at home. I haven't eaten anything. I'm hungry. Now I'm so exhausted and tired. I was literally running there to do the delivery in 1 hour and to finish before sunset. But I don't know. Anyway, tell me in the comments if that's fair or not. Thank you. Hopefully that Amazon will somehow make a compensation. That was a very long day today.